Introduction. The text contains two poems about rubbish and people's attitudes toward waste. The first poem, Not My Problem, explains that rubbish and pollution are everyone's responsibility. The poet says people should not ignore waste because it affects the whole world, especially during disasters like floods and hurricanes. The second poem, Trash Talk, shows a careless attitude toward recycling. The speaker does not believe recycling is useful and thinks companies only make money from it. Both poems discuss rubbish, but they present different opinions about recycling and responsibility. Summary. The poems Not My Problem and Trash Talk are written by Naomi Shihab Nye. Both poems are about rubbish, recycling, and people's attitudes toward waste. Although the topic is the same, the opinions in the poems are very different. In the first poem, Not My Problem, the poet talks about how some people ignore the problems of others. The poem begins with a boy named Izzy saying that he already has his own problems and does not want to listen to anyone else's problems. This shows a selfish attitude. The poet then explains that problems are like pivots, meaning things must move or change before problems can disappear. The poet wants people to take action instead of ignoring issues. The poem then talks about rubbish during natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, and earthquakes. When cities are destroyed, huge amounts of trash are created. The poet asks where all this rubbish goes and how much more waste is produced afterward. This makes readers think deeply about the environmental problems caused by disasters. The line, wet trash is heavier than dry trash, has both a real and symbolic meaning. Literally, wet rubbish weighs more. Symbolically, the poet may mean that problems become heavier and harder to manage when disasters happen. The poet names cities like Baghdad, Houston, and San Juan to show that rubbish and environmental destruction are global problems affecting many places in the world. The poet criticizes people who think they are safe from the problem because they are rich or have maids to clean up after them. The line about having a big trash can and a maid shows that wealthy people may try to ignore waste problems because others handle their rubbish for them. However, the poet says that rubbish is everyone's responsibility. At the end of the poem, the poet says that trash tells a story about people's lives. The type of rubbish people throw away shows how they live, what they buy, and how they spend their time. The poem encourages readers to think carefully about their habits and responsibilities toward the environment. The second poem, Trash Talk, is much shorter and has a different attitude. In this poem, the speaker seems careless about rubbish and recycling. The speaker says people should just throw things away because they can always buy new ones. The speaker also questions recycling and thinks companies only recycle to make money. The poem mentions shoes supposedly made from recycled soda bottles. The speaker does not believe this claim and sarcastically says, "My head is made out of peanuts." This humorous line shows disbelief and mockery. The poem presents the attitude of people who do not trust recycling programs or do not care enough about protecting the environment. Both poems focus on rubbish and recycling, but their messages are different. Not My Problem encourages responsibility and awareness, while Trash Talk shows carelessness and doubt about recycling. Together, the poems help readers think about their own attitudes toward waste and the environment. Answers of all questions. Comprehension A. Question 1. What is the problem in the first poem? Answer. The problem is rubbish, waste, and people ignoring environmental issues. Question 2. Does the character in the second poem believe that the shoes are made of soda bottles? Explain your answer. Answer. No, the character does not believe it because he speaks sarcastically and jokes about it. Comprehension B. Question 1. Explain why the writer says, wet trash is heavier than dry trash, in the first poem. Answer. The writer means that rubbish becomes more difficult to manage during disasters and heavy rain. Question 2. Why do you think the writer says, just because you have a big trash can and a maid? Answer. The writer means that rich people should not think they are free from environmental problems. Comprehension C. Question 1. What do the two poems have in common? Answer. Both poems are about rubbish, waste, and recycling. Question 2. What is different? Answer: the first poem is serious and responsible, while the second poem is careless and doubtful about recycling. Question 3. Which poem do you prefer? Why? Give examples from the poem. Answer: I prefer Not My Problem because it teaches people to care about the environment and think responsibly. Writing a poem. Question: write a poem about rubbish and where it goes using these poems for ideas. Answer: rubbish falls beside the road. Plastic bottles, heavy load. Some gets buried in the ground. Some is lost and never found. People throw things every day, without thinking where they stay. Recycle paper, glass, and tin. Keep the world clean once again. Trash can travel far away, hurting us day by day. If we care and do our part, we can give the world a fresh start. Grammar vocabulary exercises solved. Question: what does pivot mean? Answer: a central point on which something turns. Question: what does exempt mean? Answer: free from responsibility or duty. Question: what does devastated mean? Answer: completely destroyed or badly damaged. Question: what does recycle mean? Answer: to reuse waste materials and make new products from them. Question: what does sarcastic mean? Answer: speaking in a mocking or joking way. Important MCQs with answers. Who wrote the poems? A. Robert Frost. B. Naomi Shihab Nye. C. William Wordsworth. D. Maya Angelou. Answer: B. Naomi Shihab Nye. What is the main topic of both poems? A. Sports. B. Friendship. C. Rubbish and recycling. D. Travel. Answer: C. Rubbish and recycling. What is the title of the first poem? A. Trash Talk. B. Not My Problem. C. Waste World. D. Garbage Time. Answer: B. Not My Problem. What is the title of the second poem? A. Trash Talk. B. Waste Story. C. Recycle Life. D. Green Earth. Answer: a trash talk. Who says, I have my own problems? A. Raphael. B. Rhett. C. Izzy. D. Gardo. Answer: C. Izzy. What does the poet compare problems to? A. Mountains. B. Pivots. C. Rivers. D. Trees. Answer: B. Pivots. Which disasters are mentioned in the poem? A. Tornadoes only. B. Floods and earthquakes. C. Floods, hurricanes, and earthquakes. D. Storms only. Answer: C. Floods, hurricanes, and earthquakes. What happens to trash during disasters? A. It disappears. B. It increases. C. It becomes lighter. D. It burns. Answer: B. It increases. What is heavier according to the poem? A. Dry trash. B. Wet trash. C. Plastic. D. Paper. Answer: B. Wet trash. Which cities are mentioned in the poem? A. Karachi and Lahore. B. Baghdad, Houston, and San Haven. C. Paris and London. D. Tokyo and Beijing. Answer: B. Baghdad, Houston, and San Haven. What does the poet say about trash? A. It tells a story. B. It disappears forever. C. It is harmless. D. It is beautiful. Answer: A. It tells a story. What does trash tell about people? A. Their secrets. B. Their jobs only. C. How they live their lives. D. Their names. Answer: C. How they live their lives. What does exempt mean in the poem? A. Responsible. B. Free from responsibility. C. Punished. D. Helpful. Answer: B. Free from responsibility. What attitude does Not My Problem show? A. Caring and responsible. B. Funny and careless. C. Angry only. D. Fearful. Answer: A. Caring and responsible. What attitude does trash talk show? A. Serious concern. B. Carelessness and doubt. C. Happiness. D. Excitement. Answer: B. Carelessness and doubt. What does the speaker in trash talk say people should do? A. Recycle everything. B. Throw things away. C. Save money. D. Plant trees. Answer B. Throw things away. Why does the speaker dislike recycling? A. It is dangerous. B. It costs too much. C. Companies make money from it. D. It takes no effort. Answer C. Companies make money from it. What product is said to be made from soda bottles? A. Hats. B. Shoes. C. Bags. D. Shirts. Answer B. Shoes. Does the speaker believe the shoes are made from soda bottles? A. Yes. B. Number. C. Maybe. D. Sometimes. Answer B. Number. What does the line, "My head is made out of peanuts," show? A. Anger. B. Fear. C. Sarcasm and humor. D. Sadness. Answer C. Sarcasm and humor. What kind of poems are these? A. Romantic poems. B. Environmental poems. C. Historical poems. D. Adventure poems. Answer B. Environmental poems. What is the meaning of pivot? A center point. B. A machine. C. A storm. D. A road. Answer A center point. What is the meaning of devastated? A. Decorated. B. Damaged badly. C. Protected. D. Repaired. Answer B. Damaged badly. What does the poet want readers to do? A. Ignore waste. B. Think about rubbish problems. C. Buy more things. D. Burn trash. Answer B. Think about rubbish problems. Which poem is more serious? A. Trash talk. B. Not my problem. C. Both are funny. D. Neither. Answer B. Not my problem. Which poem is shorter? A. Trash talk. B. Not my problem. C. Both are equal. D. None. Answer A. Trash talk. What is the central theme of the poems? A. Pollution and waste. B. Friendship. C. Family. D. Adventure. Answer A. Pollution and waste. What does the poet criticize in the first poem? A. Recycling. B. Selfishness and carelessness. C. Schools. D. Food. Answer B. Selfishness and carelessness. Why are these poems important? A. They teach cooking. B. They teach about environmental responsibility. C. They teach history. D. They teach grammar. Answer B. They teach about environmental responsibility. What is the overall message of the poems? A. Waste more things. B. Ignore rubbish. C. People should think responsibly about waste. D. Recycling is impossible. Answer C. People should think responsibly about waste.